Did you know that cervical cancer is one of the leading killers of women? Every 2 minutes, one woman loses her life to this devastating disease. In fact, in 2020 alone, cervical cancer claimed the lives of 342,000 women, with 90% of them residing in low and middle-income countries. But here's the good news. There's a highly effective way to prevent cervical cancer, the HPV vaccine. The World Health Organization recommends that girls between the ages of 9 and 14 receive the vaccine. Shockingly, coverage worldwide remains low, despite the fact that this vaccine has been available for almost 2 decades. When combined with screening and treatment programs, the HPV vaccine has the potential to eliminate cervical cancer worldwide. So what exactly is HPV? HPV, or the human papillomavirus, is one of the most common sexually transmitted infections globally. By age 45, around 4 in 5 men and women will have had at least one HPV infection. Anyone who is sexually active can be infected with HPV. It can be transmitted through sexual contact, skin-to-skin contact, and even from pregnant mothers to their babies. HPV is responsible for 90% of cervical cancers, as well as significant proportions of other cancers, such as anal, vaginal, vulvar, penile, and throat cancers. The virus infects cells in the cervix and disrupts their normal communication and replication. In some cases, infected cells multiply uncontrollably, leading to cervical cancer. The best way to prevent cervical cancer is through the HPV vaccine. It is most effective when administered before exposure to the virus, which is why the World Health Organization recommends it for girls between 9 and 14 years old, before they become sexually active. The HPV vaccine is both safe and highly effective. It has a 97% effectiveness in stopping the HPV strains responsible for 70% of cervical cancer cases. It also provides almost 100% protection against genital warts. Unfortunately, you cannot tell if someone has HPV just by looking at them. In fact, HPV infection can often be asymptomatic, meaning there are no visible signs. Thank you for watching this video and learning about the importance of the HPV vaccine in empowering women's health and preventing cervical cancer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.